Hello everyone, my name is Robert Gadbois. I'm part of the team at Kobi Labs, and I just want to show you some tools that we have with grading. We've done a lot of work with our grading, and I just want to show everybody what we can actually do. So what I'm going to do here, I have two polylines drawn on here, and these are going to be two detention basins, and they're my high water line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D ribbon. We're going to go over to the surface and grading panel. We're going to select Create Grading. All I'm going to do is select one of the polylines, and it's going to ask me if I want to go all the way around. I'm just going to press enter, and you can automatically see it grades because we can create templates and we can save those templates in our grading tool. And so we can change to a different template and you'll see it automatically update, okay? Or we can come in and make the changes manually through our components here. All I'm going to do is go okay, and there you're going to see it's grading. It created all the contours and you can see it in 3D. This is dynamic. So if I go back to that original polyline and I grab a grip and I can start moving around, you can see how it automatically updates. But every component that I created also has a grip. So if I grab the outside here, you'll see a grip when this allows me to change that grade of that one component. So now that I've done that, I want to now grade this one. But instead of me going back through it, all I can do is I can come up here to Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D. This time I'm going to go copy the grading. I'm going to say copy the grading. I'm going to copy this grading here over to this polyline there. There you can see it grade. I'm going to go accept. And now you can see I've actually graded both detention basins. If I come over here into Civil 3D, you can see they're both been graded. If you're interested in this tool, please go to our website at www.kobilabs.com and request a free trial. Or drop us an email at sales@kobilabs.com, and we can always set up a demonstration for you.